Hello everyone. Everybody loves crispy spring rolls. Today I make the stuffing with shrimps and these special ingredients. And what is it? Please stay tuned and come to the kitchen with me. I will show you what it is and how to make the delicious spring rolls and serve with delicious food. Welcome to SaigoncookTravel. I am Saigon Cook. If you're new to my channel, please like, share my videos and subscribe. Thank you. So I use this wrapper. It's called bò bía, bò bía đậu xanh. And the ingredients to include the special one that I mentioned is taro root. Besides, I have carrots, onions, and chives. In place of chives, you are welcome to use green onions. I don't have green onions on hand. Today I visited my brother's house and I make this for them, so it's not in my kitchen, so everything is not familiar. I don't have my tools, so I use only one knife and a peeler. Now I started peeling the taro root. You can use a knife like this, but you will remove the skin a little deeper. Then if you can use a peeler like this. The taro roots, when you add into the stuffing, it will add the texture very special to the spring rolls. So far I peel on the taros, the onions, and carrots. Now let's chop them. So first I slide them into slices, and then I will chop them roughly. You don't need to chop finely, but you don't want them too long. You will see how I did it. So this is one chop. It's still long. You can turn them around like so, and chop 2-3 times, and that's it. You are all set. This green and the chives, you just chop roughly. The chive I add into it. It won't dominate because we have small amounts, and with other ingredients and seasoning, you don't feel the chives, you don't smell the chives, but you will smell the sophisticated aroma. So that's why I add the chives today. But normally you can add green onions, one bunch the same as chives. Now I mince the shrimps. I have small shrimps. They are tender shells with tender shells, so I don't need to remove the shells. And I mince by hand by using the cleaver. But if you have food processor here, everything will be very simple. Just put in the food processor and pulse a few times. Now let's get into the seasoning. Because I visited Vietnam and people here they love seasoning powder and MSG. So I use this for them. With this amount of ingredients, I use 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of pepper, half a teaspoon of seasoning powder, and a quarter of MSG, a quarter teaspoon. And I add an egg so that the eggs can bind them together, and you check the texture. I normally add 1 tablespoon of tempura mix or crispy mix, like the fish mix. But if you don't have it, you can add just on-purpose flour or cornstarch. Now you just put the stuffing on the wrapper and tuck both sides in and roll, and that's it. They are ready for the fryer. If you don't have fryer, use skillet and pan. Make sure to turn them all around to fry them all over and make them crispy and golden, like so. And now we are ready to eat. You can just eat like this, or you or use them in restaurant sheets to eat together with the other ham that we bought ready from the market. This is fresh rice cheese that they sell, and we can chop them into small pieces by size and place them onto the plate and add all the topping that we prepare and drizzle with sweet and sour garlic, lime, fish sauce, dipping sauce. Sprinkle vegetable in for freshness also. Nem nướng. This is a meat, like a meat ham, but the other one is a ham but steamed, and this is grilled ham. You can choose fish sauce or soy sauce. We prefer fish sauce. Dip. And that's it. Very flavorful. You are invited. Thank you. Bye bye.